Hello children. Today in this video we will proceed with editing text. Children, in my last video we had already discussed that editing means inserting, deleting or modifying the document or a part of document. Inserting text, it means to insert any contents like characters, numbers, symbols to a document. Number 2 is selecting text. It means to identify or doing selection of a particular portion of content of document. Means we can select any portion of document for editing. See, here is one table. See page number 18. Portion to select. How can we select it? With the help of mouse. And how can we select it? By using keyboard. Number 1 is character. To select any character, we have to drag the mouse over the character. See, this is a mouse and drag means this way. If we want to select any character in a mouse, we will hold the mouse like this and we will drag it to select the character. Clear? And by using keyboard, we can press shift plus left or right arrow button from the beginning of the character. Wherever we want to shift that character, whether left or right, we have to press shift plus left or right arrow button for selecting any portion of character. Number 2, if we want to select a word, double click anywhere on the word or drag the mouse over the word. We should double click on the word or we should drag the mouse over the word. Or with the help of keyboard, we can press CTRL plus shift plus left or right arrow button from the beginning of the word. Lines. Click on the beginning of the line and we have to drag the mouse to the required area of the line or click 3 times anywhere in the line. If we want to select any portion of line, then with the help of mouse, first of all we will click in the beginning of the line and then we have to drag the mouse in the required area of line which we want to select, or else we can click 3 times in the line anywhere to select the line. With the help of keyboard, we should press shift plus down or up arrow button of the beginning of the line. Now come to page number 19. If we want to select any paragraph means, see in page number 18, from typed letters to document, from here to here it is one paragraph. So if we want to select the whole paragraph, then what we want to do? Click 4 times anywhere in the paragraph. Means we should hold the mouse and we can click 4 times in any of the paragraph portion. Or with the help of keyboard, we can press CTRL plus shift plus down or up arrow button from the beginning of the paragraph. If we want to select the entire means the whole document, we will click on the beginning of the document and drag the mouse till the end of the document to select it. Or with the help of keyboard, we can press CTRL plus A. Rectangular areas, if you want to select, then with the mouse we will press Alt and drag the mouse over the area. And with the keyboard we have to press CTRL plus Shift plus F8 and arrow button from the beginning of the rectangular area. Clear?